Let's take a look at how we can use the custom maps and our longitude and latitude tool. Now the reason why we're using this is longitude and latitude gets a lot more accurate precision location on maps. So by opening up the widget options here, we can see we have click here to use our longitude and latitude generator. So we click there and that will open up a browser window with our tool in place. So all we have to do now is, if I just start typing an address, I'm going to put in here Mountain View, Google headquarters here, click on there, and then we get our map and we have a little icon. And when we click on the icon, we get the longitude and latitude for that particular place. So all I have to do is copy that and go back to News and paste that one in, and then I'll go back to my longitude and latitude and get the longitude, copy that, go back to my map and paste that in. And now when we preview our map, we have our mountain view location in the map. So it's very straightforward and easy to use, and it's a tool that we've built in to the widget, and it's built into the page on MuseGrid where you downloaded this widget, so that you can generate those very accurate location addresses. We can also change the style of the map here and zoom in as well. In our next video, we'll take a look at how we can style our maps up.